What embarrassing thing have you done that you're actually really proud of? When my best friend Elliot lost his life while touring in Afghanistan, I decided to honor the pact we had made when we were kids. We had agreed that whoever passes away first, the other must attend the funeral wearing a bright green dress. On the day, I showed up to the church wearing the brightest and greenest dress I could find and sat at the very front. Some family members tried telling me I looked ridiculous and that I was embarrassing myself and Elliot, but I didn't care. I stood on stage in my green dress, giving a speech about our friendship and reminiscing on the memories we shared, but not once did I ever mention why I wore what I wore. I saw some of the elders looking at me in borderline disgust, and someone even stood up midway through my speech to yell that I deserve a place in hell for what I'm doing. I never told anyone outside of my immediate family why I did this, as that was between me and Elliot. I was honoring him and the pact we made at 14 years old. My mother even captured a beautiful picture of me at the funeral, and it's a picture I still hold close to my heart. Here is the picture.